Figured the inevitable had to come for the refrigerator. And that inevitable was buying new filters. Yeah, they'll need replaced. Like say, here's like the produce preserver. This may irritate. Do not mix whatever. That keeps the produce preserved. Another one I need to replace was the air filter. This is 15 times more powerful than baking soda. Like it says, reduces, they say, common food odors, carbon-based, all that. Yeah, 15 times more powerful than baking soda. It said replace every 6 months. And lastly, also need replaced was like the water filter. Ice and water refrigerator filter. Tested and certified. And it mentions Whirlpool. All the contaminants it reduces. Say pharmaceuticals, pesticides, waterborne parasites, metals. Removes lead, as they say. Not even industrial chemicals. Taste and odor. Yeah, why remove chlorine anyway? Now, the next thing we gotta do now is replace the filters one by one.